Your vehicle's tires are by far one of the most important parts on your vehicle. Think about it. Without these essential components, you wouldn't get very far. Your car's tires keep your vehicle elevated and moving, they keep your vehicle protected, and can get you where you need or want to go. There are several types of vehicle tires out there to choose from when it comes to replacing your existing set. That's why Toyota of Orlando is here with an easy guide to help you select the right car tires. Before you start shopping for a new set of tires, you need to make sure that you're actually due for a tire replacement. Here are a few steps you should follow to evaluate your tires. Inspect your tires for obvious signs of damage. Check your tires' tread for uneven or excessive wear. Check the tire pressure periodically for fast drops in pressure. If you find that your tires are damaged, not inflated properly, or are worn down, it's time to consider a replacement. With so many tire options out there, it can be a challenge selecting the right set to put on your vehicle. Here are a few different types that you might want to consider for your car. Both typically reserved for sedans, all-season and touring tires provide your car with a comfortable ride and an ideal grip when traveling at high speeds. If you're looking for some tires that'll have you going fast, these ones are up your alley. Performance tires are built for superior traction in any condition and have better speed ratings than most other tires. Signified by their aggressive tread pattern, all-terrain tires are featured on many off-roading Toyota vehicles for their ability to traverse uneven environments with ease. These are usually reserved for larger SUVs and trucks. Your tires are important, and you need to make sure you select the right ones for your ride. At Toyota of Orlando, we're here to help. Ask your service advisor or one of our auto parts specialists for assistance today.